In this video, I am going to show you how to properly do a three-point turn. As far as a three-point turn, if you hear the words three-point turn, K-turn, broken U-turn, they are all the same thing. If you don't know, the goal is for you to end up on the other side of the street. So we are going to take it outside of the office and into the car so you can effectively see how to do it for the road test. So now we're outside and we're by the car. So before we get started, I'm going to explain to you how to effectively do a three-point turn, which is once again called a K-turn and a three-point turn. So with the three-point turn, the goal is for you to end up on the other side. Right now we're facing like this. So the first step would be that you would put it in drive, put your left signal on because people need to know your intentions of where you're going. And then you're gonna make sure it's clear in front of you and behind you. Once you determine that it's clear, you're gonna turn your wheel all the way to the left until you can't anymore. After you turned it all the way, you're gonna let go of the brake. If it's going too slow, you're gonna gas a little bit, but we're gonna keep going until we face the center of the street like this. So you want the car to be in between the yellow lines. Once you are in between, facing straight, in between the yellow lines, you're gonna stop. After that, you're gonna put it in reverse and you're gonna turn your wheel all the way to the right. And as you're turning your wheel all the way to the right, you're gonna be looking left and right to make sure that traffic is not coming, and also for you to get out the way. After you have turned all the way to the right, you're gonna slowly let go of the brake. You're not gonna gas for this part, but you're gonna keep going until you're diagonal in the middle of the street. And when I say diagonal, pretty much you want some of the front of the car to be facing the other side, but the back of the car to be split by the yellow lines, and stop again. The last step is that you're gonna put it in drive again, and you're gonna turn your wheel all the way to the left until you can't anymore. And as you're turning, once again, you're gonna be looking to make sure that cars aren't coming, or if they are coming, that you pick up your pace. Once you turned it all the way, you're gonna slowly let go of the brake, and then the car is going to start facing in that direction. Once you see yourself fully straight, you're gonna quickly turn your wheel clockwise, and then you're gonna gas to go so that you could continue with traffic. So you ready to see how it is? Let's go. Let's get started, shall we? All right, the first step is that you put it in drive, which it is right now. You're gonna put your left indicator, and you're gonna make sure it's clear in front of you and over your shoulder. And my wheel all the way to the left. Let go of the brake. If it's going too slow, gas a little bit, and I'm facing the middle of the street. Now I'm gonna put it in reverse. As I'm putting it in reverse, I'm turning my wheel all the way to the right. I'm looking left and right to make sure it's clear. I go back a little bit and then I stop. Then I put it in drive. I'm looking left and right again. And then once I'm done and I'm straight, turn my wheel to the right and then I go. And that is how you do an effective three-point turn.